welcome to Target. Are you guys ready to go shop? Because I am. This is my friend Laura.
Hello.
I had to convince her to be on camera. She is a former elementary school teacher and she found some great scores.
70% off.
70% off. Tell them where you're from.
I'm from New York.
Okay, so this is an incredible deal. We just did Carson and Owen's birthday party and these were $9.99 at the grocery store. Here they're only $1. You just go to the grocery store and fill these up. Laura just found this. It is a little thing that goes on the back of your phone to hold all your credit cards. Love mine. I would go this. Those colors remind me of you. I know it does. It matches what you're wearing. This is cool too, to put your phone right on your dashboard so you don't have to have it in your lap, which is what I'm constantly doing. If you are going on road trips, come to Target because check out this stuff. They've got these little vehicle placings, they've got tic-tac-toe, and they've even got cards.
Road trip bingo.
And road trip bingo. I love road trip bingo. This is a deal. If you guys have ever looked up kinetic sand online, it's super expensive. This is $3 and it comes with a bunch of stuff and kinetic sand inside. Kids love this. A helpful Target hint is to go with a list on your phone so you don't get too distracted. List on phone. You are looking at a list, right?
Yes. I'm looking at Cartwheel actually.
Oh, smart. So we're saving. And this is super cool that Target just started doing. When you use your Target Red card and you're stacking it with a clearance, you get 5% off plus 5% off of the clearance, which is awesome. I'm not sponsored by Target. My mind is just blown right now. That's amazing. The limited edition stuff, you guys, this always goes on such good deals. So look for like the limited edition and then wait for clearances. You can get all these name brand products for half the price. These scrubbers are just $1.98, originally $3.99. This is a super score for all of your cleaning supplies under the sink, and it's got a towel holder. This was originally $15 and now it's just $4.48. So here's where you want to do a little bit of math. This refill is going to cost $2.20 for the same amount that this is at $2.84. So it really does make sense once you have the spray bottle, stick with these refills and wait for a clearance if you really like method stuff. And I do, I use this stuff a lot around the house.
So if you're in the store, open up the app and then it says Cartwheel near you and the app will find you in the store and tell you what cartwheels you have that are by you in your aisle.
This is dangerous. This is so dangerous. This is great for organizing kitchens. This was originally $15 and it is $5. This mixing bowl set, gold bowls, is just $12.48, originally $24.99.
The Corningware is actually in here too.
Yeah, you get both and the carrier. So this was $40 and it's $20, so it's 50% off.
Wow.
It's a good deal.
Good buy.
They also have this server for like cheeses and stuff with the little domes. This is $11.98 and it was $40. Whoa, kitchen rug, $4.48, originally $14.99. So if you are trying to furnish an apartment on the cheap, these coffee tables right now are just $8.98, originally $30. This was originally $40 and now they're just $17.98. So like first apartment, dorm room, this is a great place to come right now. Ooh, ah. Laura and I are just in here like freaking out and oohing and ahhing. There's like no one here. How do people not know about these deals, you guys? So this lamp is $37 and it was originally $109. So it looks like this is the lamp right here, which is pretty cool. It's always nice when they have like the display out so you can see what would look best in your house. This is just $25, originally $50. And remember, you're gonna get even more off with the red card. Right now, Command stuff is 5% off, which is actually good because these rarely go on sale. And then sometimes you can find like Rogue stuff like this on sale. This is just $2.48 and it was $5. If you do not have a lot of space, this hangs your bottles right on the inside of cabinets. That is really cool. This is my favorite LaCroix. That's a good price too. Key lime. I'll put that in my cart. That's what I was trying to do, one-handed. We are leaving Target after an extremely successful trip, and now Laura is opening this up. We're gonna see if this little vent for the phone thing works. It works! It's perfect! If you guys like Shop With Me videos, leave this a big thumbs up, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Subscribe so I can see you there. Bye! They sell these at the dollar store for $1, so do not buy them here. Are you laughing at me? Yes. She's laughing at me. Okay, so this shirt is $5, and seriously, I think I have to get it. This is horrible. I am mostly confused. You guys know how much I think Bob Ross is so cool? Look at this shirt. This is my quote. No mistakes, just happy accidents. It's Bob Ross.